Hi, so today we're going to be talking about you have a court date. What do you take to court? A lot of people going to court for the first time, it's nerve-wracking, right? You have to talk to this strange person who you've never seen before, who might not understand where you're from, might not understand your background. Um, so one, you have to know if you are going to court and you do not have an attorney, it means you're pro se. You have to know the law. So at least go to court knowing what you have to prove. If you are the moving party, which is the plaintiff, you have the burden. You have to show the court that what you're asking for, you meet the requirements, right? So why should the court listen to you? You must have been wronged. That's why you come to the court. So you come to the court and you have evidence. It's not just, oh, he said this or she said that, or I believe that, right? There has to be a reason why you believe what you're asking the court or what you're telling the court. So when you come to court, first of all, the court is going to be looking at credibility. You have to come to court with clean hands. You have to be credible. The court has to make a determination. You don't want the judge to catch you in the middle of a lie, because then everything that you've said, even if it's true, the court kind of takes that with a pinch of salt, right? So again, be credible, take as much evidence as you can. You have pictures, you have injuries, you have things that communications between both parties. And that's why it's very important that you memorialize it and text. In Maryland, video recording, you may have a problem introducing that, but take it, right? The worst the court is going to say is no, I'm not going to hear it. But if you have something that shows the person who you're suing doing the thing on video, pictures of it, you should absolutely take it to court. Do you have witnesses? Witnesses are very important. Do you have people who can testify to what you're saying? It would help with your credibility. So you say, hey, Liz took my pencil. Well, who else saw Liz take it, right? If it was just you, it's going to be your word against the word of the person who you're suing. But if you have one, two, three, four witnesses, the more witnesses you have, the more credible, your case might be. Then if your witnesses don't speak English, you do not speak English, you can always request an interpreter. There is a form for that. You cannot do that the day of court. So if you have court and you do not speak English as a first language, speaking English as a first language sometimes trips you up. You're like, I just prefer to testify in my native dialect or in my language. Make sure that you ask the court for that. You have to do it in writing. I wish you all the best in court. And if you need our help, you know what to do. 443-352, you know it, come on, 3201. Email is info@elawrencelaw.com. God bless you. I'll see you on the next video.